Hello YouTube, this is Dave the Mechanic back with another video. Today I'll be changing the cam sensor on a 2002 GMC Envoy. The location of it is right here. You can see where your oil cap is, and if you go right down, it's this wire right here, and then that harness is connected to your sensor. First thing you want to do is disconnect your negative turn on your battery. Always do that, especially when I'm changing sensors. This is a 8mm, and that will get that off, and move that out the way so it doesn't come back and touch. The first step to actually getting the part off is to remove the harness. So there's a safety clip here. I put my flathead in there and I pry that back a little bit, and once that's pried back, I should be able to reach in there and get that harness off. Just like that. Move that out of the way. And now you can see clearly, this is the sensor that we're removing. So that you have a sense of what we're changing, this is the new part. And that's the old part. There's a 10mm bolt that goes through here, and let's see if you can see it from here. But the bolt is right here. There it is. That's the bolt right there. So we need to get a 10mm socket on that and turn counterclockwise to remove that bolt. I'm able to use a small ratchet and with a 10mm socket and get right in there. And right now I am on the bolt and it's currently turning. Alright, so now that I have it loose, I can reach in there by hand and turn that all the way out. Still turning that bolt out. There's a lot of threads on this little bolt. Alright, and that's it. We're going to set that to the side. And as far as the sensor, as you can see on the new one, it's just the O-ring that's holding it in there. It's in there nice and snug, so just give it some twists left and right and then pull downwards, and that'll do it. Just grab your new one, put it right back in there how it came out. You hear it snap. Grab your bolt and start to thread your bolt back in. Once you have it hand tightened, go back with the ratchet, make sure it's snug. In my case, it's nice and snug. Now we can reattach our harness. Clips in nice, and I have that safety clip all the way down, and that's pretty much it as far as replacing the sensor. Now it's time to reconnect our battery. So just reconnect that negative terminal and then get your 8mm socket to finish tightening that up. And once the battery is all tightened up, that's pretty much it. And that is basically how you replace a cam sensor on a 2002 GMC Envoy. If you like the video, like, subscribe, leave a comment. If there's anything that I missed or anything that you think I could do better, let me know that as well. Again, this is Dave the Mechanic. Thanks for watching. See you next time.